Meaning of intimacy.
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 Intimacy. Intimacy generally refers to a close, personal relationship between two people, characterized by emotional and/or physical closeness, trust, vulnerability, and mutual understanding. It can refer to a variety of different types of relationships, including romantic partnerships, close friendships, and familial bonds. Intimacy often involves sharing one's deepest thoughts, feelings, and desires with another person, as well as engaging in physical contact and sexual activity, in the case of romantic intimacy. Intimacy is an important aspect of human connection and can contribute to feelings of happiness, fulfillment, and belonging.